Hey everybody, I'm Josh with Mann Lake, and today we're going to be taking a look at a hive that was caught in a swarm trap around October. We overwintered it. Right now it's looking like our numbers are dwindling, so we're going to get inside and take a look. Our guess right now is probably queenless, so let's take a look. Found her? All right, so it looks like we did find the queen. So now let's continue through the hive and see if we can get any more idea of what exactly is going on. So we got pollen reserves. So it looks like they got plenty of stores. And then we got nectar flowing in. You can tell by the shininess of the fluid. And then if you take it and you shake it, it should have some nectar falling out. And again with some pollen. Here we got a bunch of pollen reserves along with some drone brood and then some cap worker bee brood. And looks like we're looking at the same thing on the other side. And again here you can see some of the larvae. We do have some eggs deep down in these cells along with some cap drone brood and then some cap worker brood along with pollen and some of your older honey. And then again, fresh nectar, pollen, and then some capped honey. Along with some capped honey, and it looks like they're still working on drawing this out. And then a full frame of capped honey. All right, so our overall conclusion of this hive is we still have a queen. We have some eggs in there, and we have some cap brood in different stages of bee development. So our potential fix for this hive would be to introduce some kind of feed, our Pro Suite, then kind of give it a couple weeks and see if that queen can kind of get to laying in properly. If not, we're going to look at requeening this hive or possibly merging this in with another hive. If you like the video that you're seeing, please like and subscribe, leave a comment down below so we know what to look for and what to give you in the future.